If you are the owner of a large dog like we are, you already know that your back seat basically becomes their space. We have a full-blooded Rottweiler Bailey, which means in our back seat you're going to find slobber, claw marks, hair everywhere, and whatever she has tracked in from outside. Today we're going to go ahead and install the 4Knines hard bottom back seat extender into our Dodge Ram truck. Now, what I'm excited about is one, that this is heavy duty. I really wish we had done this sooner. It may have saved the seats. Installation was super easy. You just lay it across the back seat, secure the straps around the headrest, and adjust everything so it fits snug. The hard bottom extender is the big difference. Instead of your dog sinking into the footwell, it creates a full platform across the seat. And once it's in place, it feels really solid. I personally like in the middle, there's a strap for the middle headrest to hold onto so that it holds it up and it's even more secure. Now for the real test, Bailey jumps in like she always does, but instead of sliding around or trying to balance, she has a full stable surface. And for us, that means no claw marks digging into the seats, no muddy paws straight onto the upholstery, and way less hair overall. Let's be real, if you've got a big dog, it covers it all. It's gonna cover your seats from slobber, dog hair, scratches, dirt, mud, and whatever else they're bringing in. The material is waterproof and heavy duty, so you're not stressing about every little thing. The easy open door protector is actually a really nice touch. It helps protect the sides when your dog jumps in, leans on the door, or tries to help you get out. We were sent this to test out, and honestly, we really like the hard bottom. It is a stable platform. It does protect the seats from everything Bailey throws into it. It's easy to install and adjust. It's waterproof and durable, and it fits great in a truck like the Ram 3500.